What's up guys, my name is Josiah Martin and I am the Alaskan Outsider. So this week I got the Ronin-s in the mail. I'm super excited. Finally got this thing balanced. It definitely takes some time and some patience to get it balanced, but make sure you do it correctly, otherwise this thing won't work correctly. Speaking of not working correctly, there's two power switches. So I got it all completely balanced. I pushed and held the one power button on the bottom, and now I'm pushing and holding this one right here. It makes a little beep at me and it's saying that it's on, or at least on standby, yet this is clearly, the motor's not activated. I'm like really excited trying to use this, figure out how to use it, and now it won't even turn on. But I'm here to give you a simple tip of why that might be. So if you happen to have the same problem as me, the fix is actually quite simple, which is good. And that fix is simply download the Ronin-s app onto your cell phone. Once you're in the app, navigate to the connection page. It'll show a device list right here, and hopefully your DJI Ronin will be right there. Tap that, type in the password. The initial password is just 12345678. Then confirm the activation, and from there, go and create. So now this time when I turn it on, it actually straightens out. This was a super simple fix, but this was my first ever gimbal, so the whole activation process I was not familiar with. You probably have to do that on a lot of other ones, but if this happens to be your first gimbal and you didn't know you had to activate it first, now you do. I hope you found this video helpful. So after a couple weeks of using this thing, I'm gonna make a tips and best features video of it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you wanna see that video and see how I put this Ronin-s to work in my day-to-day life as a professional videographer. See you guys next time.